for centuries. I have wondered if there were any workshops left. I have traveled through time to see the future. A machine may shape the metal, but only a master gives it a soul. Here I have met an artist and master builder, H.J. Nick, a man who believes a thing's worth building. Master Builder, welcome Leonardo. I have awaited 500 years to hear that. I hear the ring of a hammer on a steel, a sound that has not changed. This door welcomes the family before a single word is spoken. No mold could make this. Every hammer blow carries the hand of its maker. Every piece tells you who made it. Exactly, the machine repeats. The craftsman understands. Art preserves memory. This table remembers sacrifice. Every nation leaves monuments. The finest remind the people not of power, but out of responsibility. Magnificent, the craftsmanship, the detail, the passion. The tools are more advanced, yet the principles remain the same. These are not merely objects. They are heirlooms for generations. Civilizations are remembered by what they create. Protect the craftsman, honor the maker, build with a purpose, create beauty and create strength. I have seen the future, and the spirit of the Renaissance still lives.